Alright guys, so you read the title, I'm not going to waste your time. Here are the 3 apps that you need. You need Skin Seed, Pixar, and a background eraser. I chose this one, but it really doesn't matter. The key feature that you really want is a feature that lets you select a background or a certain color. I'll recommend one for iOS, one for Android. Well, without further ado, let's actually make the thumbnail. So usually what I do when I first make my thumbnails is if it has a player in it, you go to Skin Seed. It really helps and it's a really good tool. So right here, you're at My Skins. You just have to create skin and you import it from, you can take it from the app, or you can just get your photos and put your skin. So I have my skin right here. So how you do this is you press this and it allows you to move around the body parts. So now my character is raising their hand. You screenshot any of the positions that you've made. Let me go screenshot this. Now that you've screenshotted your position and your skin, here's the time you go into background eraser. So here is mine. I'll just crop it because it makes it easier. Alright, so I just cropped it. And let's try to take around the background. So here's how you do it manually on Android. Pretty simple, pretty easy. And bam. What I like to do is press auto, and it just leads to big chunks. Now, one thing that you can do that makes everything a lot easier is press auto. Now, it just takes the entire background away. And if you're thinking, hey, your hat's missing, you can press the repair button, and it's easy to fix. Next, now that we have our skin, let's get our background. Alright, so I'm currently using the Hive Skywars maps as my backgrounds. So go to images and bam, there's a map I can use. Okay, so I decided I'm going to use the sky. Now, here's the final stretch in our last app, Pixar. Pretty simple. Okay, so we open up our image and let's crop this, making sure that it's the right dimension for a thumbnail. You can do that by pressing Tools, Crop, right there. Now that we have the right dimension, usually my thumbnails, I have a border. So you go here and you go to Inside, and then Inner. It depends on what you want. Maybe you want a thin border, maybe you want a more thick border. I really don't recommend doing this, but you can if you want to. So for a decently sized one, I'd pick 10. And now you go here and you slide this down so it's more of a transparent one. The colors I personally like using if you want a transparent outline is black and white. Here's what black looks like. I ended up going with a black border because I like the way it looks. So right here, we're going to add the picture that we got. And I'm going to set it up right here.